guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be making these homemade peanut chews. So let's get into it. So first thing you need 1 cup honey. Pour it in a pot. Next thing you need a cup of sugar. Just pour that right in. And I'm going to leave the ingredients and directions in the link in the description. Now you're just going to want to heat it up on a medium flame till it melts. Now you're just going to want to add a cup of peanut butter. And then after you're done that, you're just going to want to mix it up until it's creamy. Okay, now you're going to want to add 5 cups of Rice Krispies. Now you need to mix it well. Now you need to take a baking sheet with parchment paper and take the mixture and just pour it out. Now you need to spread it out and press it down evenly. After you spread it out and push it down, you're going to need to let it cool and harden. Now you just have to decorate to your liking. Now you just need to cut it and enjoy.